Hey, so I'm going on a little photography expedition today. I'm heading out to Stony Brook State Park in Dansville, New York. This is one that I've been to a bunch of times before. Stony Brook is a nice little park. It kind of follows a creek through the center of a gorge, and you get some nice little waterfalls. And there's a couple sizable waterfalls, and then there's a few just kind of like babbling brook type scenes, kind of nice rock formations, and like I said, you're in the center of a gorge, so yeah, it's just a nice little park. It has a campground that I've stayed at a few times before, and it's early October. I'm getting some real nice fall foliage out here, so I thought it'd be a good day for a little hike. Let's go. One of the nice things about coming here in October is it's a state park, so it normally has an entrance fee, although October is the off season, so there is no entrance fee. Plus it's a little less crowded than it is in the summertime, so that's nice as well. All right, so this is the creek that runs through the park. And if you look down over here, this whole area actually gets filled up in the summertime, and it's used as a swimming pool. Now, I haven't gone swimming in here since I was a kid, but my memory of it is that the water is freezing. Hey, look, stairs. It's a gorgeous day for this. Not a cloud in the sky, not hot, not cold. It's perfect. I love this time of year, like early October. Gotta enjoy it now while it lasts, because it won't stay like this forever. But right now, it's beautiful. So that was the first of the 2 real waterfalls that I just passed, and the second one is just up ahead. Well, I believe that's just about the end of this trail. There are some stairs up ahead, and I've gone up them before. I believe it just goes up to the campground. I'm gonna walk a little bit further just to check it out. Well, I went up to the top of those stairs, and there's actually another trail known as the West Rim Trail that goes back to the parking lot that I came from. So I decided to take that. Whereas the gorge trail that I was just on runs along the creek bed through the middle of the gorge, this one hugs alongside the top of the gorge. This is actually the first time I've ever done this, so we'll see. Fun to try something new. Well, this is a pretty cool trail. It's interesting getting a view from above of some of these waterfalls that I've seen up close and personal. This is the West Rim Trail. Apparently there's an East Rim Trail too, which I imagine runs along the other side of the gorge. Definitely a little bit more of a workout going this way. There's a lot of stairs. I still think I prefer just being down in the gorge. It's really cool to get up close and personal with those waterfalls, but always good to try something new though. Gives you a different perspective. Well, I think that'll do it for this one. I'm heading back to the car now. Thanks for coming along like always. If you've enjoyed the video to this point, do consider giving a like, commenting, and subscribing. Hope you guys had fun. I know I did. Great day for a hike. But like always, catch you on the next one. Peace.